NUST entry test, tips, tricks and schedule, dates. The NUST entry test, known as NET, is conducted 4 times a year at the National University of Science and Technology. NAT occurs in December, February to March, April, and July, primarily in Islamabad as a computer-based test. The test covers mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, and intelligence with a total of 200 questions and no negative marking. For engineering candidates, subjects include mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, and intelligence with specific numbers of MCQs per subject. Business students tackle mathematics, English, and intelligence with a focus on subjects like algebra, trigonometry, and grammar. Tips for the test include taking NET multiple times, practicing past papers, managing time effectively, and staying calm. Other recommendations are using online resources, familiarizing with test software, and attempting all questions to maximize scores.